What's up, scooter lovers? So today we are unboxing the Kaabo Warrior X Max. Let's get started. And now we flip it back. And voila, you open it. Here's what's inside the box. 2 chargers, a separate booklet for the smart central display, a set of bolt covers, a toolkit, and then the user manual. Now it's time to remove the foam packaging. This part is pretty straightforward. And now we're gonna have the big reveal to see if it's gonna power on. See? Woohoo! We're on! Alright, so you already know what it is. Now it's time to grab my backpack and my helmet. Let's go for a ride. So this is the Kaabo Warrior X Max, and I've been testing it for the past couple weeks. Here's what you need to know. First things first, the build quality. This thing is built with T6082 aerospace grade aluminum, which is the same material they use in aircraft. It's light, but it feels incredibly solid. The dual stem design gives you that confidence when you're really pushing it. Performance-wise, we're looking at dual 1100 watts motors here, which will get you up to 44 miles per hour. Now, that's legitimately fast for a scooter in this category. The acceleration is smooth and predictable, no crazy jerky takeoffs that'll throw you off balance. But here's where it gets interesting. These CST all-terrain tires work directly with CST to develop these. I've taken this thing on city streets, gravel paths, even some light trail work, and the grip and stability are genuinely impressive. The suspension setup is where Kaabo really shows their engineering chops. You've got their patented hydraulic shock up front, and an adjustable oil spring system in the rear. The fact that you can actually tune this thing for different terrain types, that's a nice touch that most manufacturers skip. Display-wise, this 4-inch anti-glare screen is actually readable in direct sunlight, which is something I appreciate. NFC unlock works exactly like you'd expect, tap and go. The IPX7 rating means you don't have to baby it around water, and that 5 volts 2 amperes USB port will actually fast charge your phone, not just trickle charge it. Braking performance is solid 140 millimeters hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear, plus regenerative EABS. It stops when you need it to stop, with good modulation and no grabbiness. The Warrior X Max has a 60 volts, 27 amp hour battery. It's UL certified, which is important for safety. They're claiming 56 miles of range, and in my testing, I'm getting pretty close to that in eco mode with mixed riding. Your mileage will definitely vary based on rider weight, terrain, and how aggressive you are with that throttle. If you need something that can handle your daily commute, but also won't leave you wanting when you hit some trails on the weekend, this scooter checks all those boxes. It's legitimately versatile. As you guys can see, that was a really nice ride. I had a blast riding the scooter. Let me know what you like about the Warrior X Max. Until next time, ride safe. Let's go!